Emna, it's the weekend, and you're still in the mood to go out for coffee? I'm starting to suspect you're secretly in love with the whole chill living vibe.
Ha! You got me. If I don't get my weekend coffee, something feels missing. Oh, come to think of it, I don't think I've ever really told you much about myself, have I?
Then today's the day. I'm dying to know the full profile of the girl sitting across from me.
All right. Emna, 24, the simple type, coffee, books, soft music. I'm a freelance designer, so most of my life is glued to a laptop.
Total vibe match. David, 27. I work in media, talking all day for a living, yet I crave quiet moments like this.
Media guy who loves silence? That's rare.
Probably because I talk to clients non-stop. The second I leave the office, I want to switch myself to mute. But with you, I suddenly feel like talking more than usual.
And what exactly do you mean by that?
I mean, you draw people in, quietly. You look gentle, but your energy hits hard in the best way.
Haha, I'm just a normal girl. Wait, are you the type who always has a clever line ready?
Depends on the person. When someone makes me want to talk, creativity mode turns on by itself.
Guess that puts me on the special list.
Your name's definitely on it. Real question though, are you more introvert or extrovert?
Introvert who knows how to blend in. I love my own company, but I also love connecting with the right people. You?
Fake extrovert. Looks loud on the outside, but inside it's quiet. I only open up when it feels safe.
Wow. So both of us have our own little worlds, and we only open the door when we feel safe.
And right now, I feel completely safe.
You keep dropping lines that melt hearts, you know that? Fine. Here's a little secret. I'm super picky about who I actually open up to.
And yet you're telling me. I'm honored.
Because talking to you feels easy, like we're just having afternoon tea, not filling out a background check.
That's what introductions are for. But I'm curious, does the name Emna mean anything special?
My mom picked it. It means gentle. But don't let that fool you. I look soft, but I'm stubborn as hell.
Gentle yet strong-willed, exactly my type.
All these compliments. Habit or strategy?
Habit. When someone deserves praise, I give it.
Okay, plus 1 point for you. To keep it fair, do you switch workplaces a lot?
All the time. Media life. Today, a cafe. Tomorrow, a co-working space. Next day, a milk tea shop. But today, I'm here not for work for this date.
That last part sounds pretty nice.
Consider it the opening line to a very long conversation. There's still so much about you I want to discover.
Easy there. I don't like being interrogated like a job interview.
Don't worry. I prefer peeling layers slowly, like turning the pages of a great book, everyone interesting.
You're making me laugh, but thank you. It's been a long time since I've had a conversation this comfortable.
Then let's stay a little longer. I feel like there are still tons of stories inside you waiting to come out.
Yeah. The sunlight's beautiful, the coffee smells amazing. No rush.
Exactly.
We've talked enough about ourselves. Shall we move to the headache topic? Work?
It's not a headache for me, unless we mention deadlines. Then my heart feels it.
Haha. Media life deadlines chase harder than a crush chasing their lover.
Spot on. Still, even with the pressure, I love the feeling of creating something new. Every project is its own little universe.
I get that. Designing is the same one layout, one tiny logo, and I'll spend hours tweaking every detail.
Curious, where do you usually get inspiration from?
From life. Sometimes a song, sometimes a random sentence someone says, or just the way light falls on the glass of water in front of me. You? Tell me about a project you'll never forget.
One ad campaign a year ago. My team built it from concept to filming. The stress was insane, but when I saw it air on TV, that pride is indescribable.
So you live for those victory moments.
Pretty much. What's your favorite part of the job?
The second I hit export, that moment I go, finally it's done, thank the heavens.
Haha, I expected something more artistic, like the creative spark, not when it's finally over.
Hey, I love creating too, but nothing beats the high of surviving a deadline chase.
Fair. After every project, I treat myself to a really good coffee. What's your reward?
A full day of sleep. No alarm clock.
The ultimate luxury.
Creative brains need to power off completely sometimes.
Talking to you feels so easy. I always imagined designers were a bit intense and perfectionist.
Guilty. I am a perfectionist, but only where it matters. Life would be exhausting otherwise.
I love how you balance realism with passion.
Passion fuels creativity, after all. Do you ever get tired of your job?
Oh yes, especially when a client says, just a tiny change, and the tiny change means starting over.
Oh my God! Same pain. I once got feedback. Make it modern but classic, youthful but luxurious. Like, how?
That's the moment you know your day is doomed.
Yet we still stick with it. Probably because we love making things that actually touch people.
Exactly. The pressure's worth it when you see the result. Any big plans? Stay freelance forever or open your own studio?
I dream of a tiny studio just big enough to have my own style. You? Want to lead a big creative team someday?
I do, but not the cold boss type. I want to be the guy who connects everyone, works hard but still laughs.
You'd be perfect at that. Anyone working with you would feel at ease.
So, when you open that studio and need someone to help fight deadlines, call me, I'll come help.
Are you joking or serious?
I rarely joke here, especially not with you.
That caught me off guard. In a good way.
Good surprise or bad surprise?
Cute surprise.
Perfect. Has work ever completely drained you?
Absolutely. When stress peaks, I log off everything, walk alone, eat a proper meal, then sleep. One good sleep and life looks less bruised.
Same here. Creative work burns you out if you don't recharge, but I can tell you know how to take care of yourself.
I try to keep balance work like crazy, but never let myself collapse.
People who know their rhythm like you usually go very far?
I hope so, and I hope to meet more people I vibe with to go even further.
Maybe that person is sitting right in front of you.
You just made me blush.
A little blush looks good on you.
Okay, back to work talk, mister. You keep steering us toward romance.
Work is fun, but talking with you is way more fun.
If you keep this up, Part 3 Hobbies is going to be dangerous.
I've been waiting for part 3.
Fine.
You said hobbies would be interesting. Now I'm really curious.
Interesting depends on the listener. I like simple things. Music, books, photography, and collecting postcards.
Postcards? The pretty ones with famous places?
Yep, every place I visit, I grab one like keeping a piece of memory. Sometimes it's just a tiny street corner, but looking back at it feels so sweet.
I love that idea. I don't collect postcards, but I keep little notes, random ideas, or strong feelings. Reading them later is like, who was this David and what was he thinking?
Haha, organized romantic. Any other special hobbies outside work?
Running. Not for fitness, for clearing my head. Early mornings, listening to the city wake up, total life reset.
Sounds so peaceful. I prefer evening walks, watching the sunset, people passing by, feeling small yet calm.
The way you see life turns everything soft and beautiful.
Careful, compliments like that can be misunderstood.
What if I want them understood correctly?
Then, I'll stay quiet.
Oh, I also love cooking, not chef level, but I love making something for someone else to enjoy.
That's a huge plus. Someone who cooks even simple meals feels safe. I love that.
Then one day, I'll cook for you and we'll see if it passes the warm test.
You're basically asking me out right now.
Because I am.
You're making it impossible to say no.
You don't have to say no, just nod.
How did we go from hobbies to dating in 5 minutes?
Because I recently added a new hobby.
Which is,
Sitting in a cafe on weekend afternoons, talking to a girl named Emna.
you're going to leave me speechless.
You don't have to speak. I just love watching you smile.
Actually, I've got a new hobby too.
Tell me.
Listening to you talk. Your voice, it makes everything feel easy.
That's the best compliment I've gotten today.
Not a compliment, just the truth.
Then let me say one more truth. I want to know you more. I want many more afternoons like this.
I want that too. Sitting here with you feels different, comfortable, like the right person at the right time.
Promise then? Every free weekend we pick a new cafe. You bring postcards, I'll bring stories.
Promise. And who knows, one day my postcards might have a picture of you in them.
When that day comes, I'll try to stand really nicely so I don't ruin your composition.
Haha, you always know how to make me laugh.
Because making you happy is pretty simple.
Thank you, David. I'm going to remember this afternoon for a long time.
Me too. And this is only the beginning.